Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and I am cleaning house for company, but I thought you might like to see this stuff before I put it away. One of these bags I've had a while and kept forgetting to show you, and I had Amaya Rain down here standing on her new stand, which I can't wait to show you. That's coming up. But I took her upstairs and I'm not going to go get her. We'll show you this another time. But I bought these in the clearance items. They are Parrot Toys. Parrots, I used to breed parakeets and cockatiels, and they love these sort of toys. Love them. But when I saw them on clearance for $2.77, I thought, that's 3 pairs of shoes. I mean, these are actual little shoes. You can put your finger all the way in there and tie them and untie them and the whole big deal. And right now, I'm thinking Amaya Rain, but they could be someone else. I don't know, but there's those. I didn't put them away because I wanted to show you all. AliExpress came. We went to Friday. We went out to eat and shopping, like we do on Fridays. And guess what I got? More fabric. Well, I couldn't help myself. Well, I could, but I wasn't. Here's my justification, is what I should say. $3 a yard. And for $3 a yard, you can get a quarter yard, which that's what this is, for 75 cents. I got a half yard for $1.50. I got a yard for $3. I got a quarter yard, again, 75 cents. And I love this. This is so perfect for any size doll or craft. I mean, even the mini Blythe, I bought another half a yard of that. But that is all I got Friday. Or no, it wasn't. Yeah. I think it was. No. Then we went to Walmart. Our dog, our German Shepherd pup's name is Tonkana. And I made the name up from Tonka truck, because German Shepherd pup, Tonka truck. And they had this fabric on clearance for $3.50. It's a Tonka print. And I thought, how stinking cute would that be for neckerchiefs? So I got that for it. It was on sale. $3.50. Higher than I usually pay, but I got it. And then I got this. I have a project going. I want to make some skirts out of that. And I got some findings. I needed these. I need to make some fall colored halter tops for some Blythe dolls. Gosh, I'm going through thread like crazy. I'm sewing every single day, hours. I need that for some face-ups. We have this idea. I bought some of these the other day. I am in love with them. I am convinced they're a little heavy, which concerns me because of the back of a Blythe head. You know, they're heavy anyway. But with these, I looked at beads at Hobby Lobby, and they were about the same price for 1 or 2 strands. And they didn't have the separators and bead crowns. And I really like that. I think that really adds a lot of elegance to it. So I bought them while I can, because every time I go in Walmart, the prices are higher. I've been buying this fabric at our local Walmart. It's a yard, $2.97. You can't beat that. I got these two for AG project coming up, and they were $2.97. In the other Walmart, in the Walmart I bought these items in, first of all, they didn't have solid colors, and what they did have was $6.97 a yard. It had jumped that high, and I thought, you know what? I need to go to ours. I need to get those solid prints and put them up. That's for the same project. And they have not had these in, it's been well over a year. I've been buying the black beads with the alphabet because they quit making the white ones with the bigger holes. I use these on the back of my Blythes on the string. and I put their name on it. I have a lot of Blythes, and I'm older, and sometimes, well, I don't want to forget their names. So we got home, and I'm not saying I'm spoiled or anything, but I saw this shirt online. I told Darren, oh, I really like that. We have an Aveo, and we love it, and it's a stick shift. I learned it, my brother, when I turned 16, taught me to drive a stick, and his reasoning was really quite nice. He said that if I was ever out on a date and the guy got drunk and had a stick shift, he wanted me to be able to drive home. So I know how to drive a stick shift, and look what I got. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, that is big though. Now, they've been making extra large smaller, and they've been shrinking in my dryer, so I got an extra large, but that is so me. How cute is that shirt? It is too big though. Hallelujah. And then, this was in the mail when we got home Friday, and then Saturday, the mailman came. You know, I'm still getting packages, this is different, from the sale that AliExpress had not too long ago. And one of my packages came. I have a bunch coming. I've been buying dolls on sale because they have a purpose. And some of the purposes, I like them and I want them. But this one was not supposed to be. And then I kind of looked at her again in the picture and I thought, oh, I don't have one like that. And actually, I do have one with this colored hair, but the colored hair that I have is on a pouty face, and this is not a pouty face. Look how cute she is. Oh, that's thick hair too. This is my color, hot pink. Ever since I was a little bitty kid, hot pink is my color. I love all shades of pink, but hot pink is, see how her eyes look. I'm not sure what color eye chips I will put in this one, but I bought her, how do you hate the pink? I actually have some pink chips coming, but they're different pinks. So there she is. Oh gosh, she's nice. Anyway, so I'm looking at her thinking, I might need one of those. So we'll see. I might have to buy another, and we'll get her a face up. Let's see if I can get her back in. I left Robert out to show you. He's joining us today. He is an icy face. This is a Boy Blythe I bought when Boy Blythes weren't as expensive as they are now. They were always more expensive, but they've really gone up. He is on the head, what do we call it? Neck joint from Beth Ramsden. And I am loving it because the icy heads on the dolls that I have, and including my Chubby, are way over, like more than the other heads. So I'm real pleased. He's getting ready to go to a Ren Fair this weekend, and we're going to do some filming there. So we have that coming up. I'm just going to set that down. And speaking of Chubbies, we are going to do some things with Chubbies, and one of them is I'm going to do a custom Chubby, or two, actually two. And then I'm buying heads for them. And I like the icy. The icy are chubbier faces. The others, you have to really look at the doll. That's a Chubby, right? But with the icies, you know right away it's a fat girl. I absolutely love it. The little chubby bodies of the Blythe doll come on. Oh, I'll get it here in a minute, maybe. A Mimi Bobek, which was a TV show, Drew Carey. And they actually had a doll. Oh, this is really wrapped nice. And here she is. And that body we will be taking apart. One thing about the Chubby bodies, and I noticed it and I saw it on other Blythe websites. These clothes can stain the bodies. So what I want to do is we want to get her out, see if we're going to be able to put the neck joint in her without a lot of work, but we're going to try a neck joint. I'm going to take these clothes apart since I already have this outfit once and make patterns. And I have a head coming, and we're going to do a custom Chubby Blythe. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.